What if I told you that 9 working-class young men from the American West once went up against the elite athletes of the world and triumphed in front of Adolf Hitler himself? The Boys in the Boat by Daniel James Brown is more than a sports story. It's a true tale of grit, teamwork, and resilience that carried a crew of underdogs from the Depression-era United States all the way to Olympic glory in Nazi Germany. The book follows Joe Rantz, a young man who faced abandonment, poverty, and hardship, yet found hope and belonging in the University of Washington rowing team. Alongside 8 other rowers, many sons of loggers, farmers, and shipyard workers, Joe channeled his struggles into determination on the water. These were not privileged athletes groomed for victory. They were ordinary young men with extraordinary heart. Brown doesn't just tell us about the races, he places us inside them. You feel the blistering pain of synchronized rowing, the icy waters of the Pacific Northwest, and the roaring crowds in Berlin. Most importantly, you witness how 9 individuals, each with their own battles, learn to surrender ego for something greater. The perfect unity of swing, when a boat seems to glide effortlessly, powered by absolute trust and rhythm. Their journey culminated in the 1936 Olympics, where the boys in the boat faced not only world-class competition, but also the charged atmosphere of Nazi propaganda. In front of Hitler and the global press, they raced for more than gold. They raced for dignity, for their country, and for the spirit of perseverance. And against all odds, they won. This story is about more than rowing. It's about the power of hope in times of despair, the strength of teamwork, and the resilience it takes to turn adversity into triumph. It reminds us that greatness often rises not from privilege, but from struggle, and that ordinary people, united by a shared dream, can achieve the extraordinary. So if you're looking for a story that will inspire you, lift you, and remind you of what's possible when we come together, The Boys in the Boat is the book to experience. Don't just hear this summary, immerse yourself in the full story. Let Joe Rantz and his teammates show you how determination, unity, and resilience can carry you farther than you ever thought possible.